Alright, Janet consumes two commodities X and Y. Her utility function is this thing. She chooses to buy 10 units of good X and 20 units of good Y. The price of X is 1. Which of the following is true? Okay, X plus 2Y, Y plus 2X. So first of all, utility equals to min of X plus 2Y comma Y plus 2X. Okay, so we have done the indifference curve part countless times, so I'm not going to do that again. I'm just simply going to draw the indifference curves now. So this is your line X equals to Y. Here you will have indifference curves looking like this. Okay, so here you will have MRS equals to half, here you will have MRS equals to 2, which means here you will have utility equals to X plus 2Y, and here you will have utility equals to Y plus 2X. Okay. So price, okay, she chooses to buy 10 units of good X and 20 units of good Y when price of good X is 1. Okay, so she chooses to buy the bundle 10 comma 20 when price of good X is equals to 1. Okay, so first of all, let us locate the point 10 comma 20. So this would be a point like 10. So this is basically y greater than x. So we know y greater than x lies to the left of this thing. All the points y greater than x lie to the left of x equals to y line. So the point 10 comma 20 will lie somewhere here. Yeah. No, I don't think so. Wait, let me check. Utility equals to this thing. So you will report x plus 2y whenever x plus 2y is less than y plus 2x, which implies whenever y is less than x. Oh, sorry, yes, I have done this wrong. Sorry, half. How did I do this wrong? X plus 2y is reported whenever x plus 2y is less than y plus 2x. So whenever y is less than x, so yeah, y less than x happens in this region, y less than x. Okay, sorry. So MRS should be half here and 2 here. Half here, 2 here and half here, right? So this should be the region for x plus 2y. X plus 2y, and this should be 2x plus y. Okay, so okay, is this right now? Is 2x plus y, x plus 2y. Yeah, cool. Okay. Where was I? Yeah, MRS उल्टा लिख दिया था मैंने, सॉरी. मैंने स्टीपर स्लोप को हाफ कर दिया था, फ्लैटर स्लोप को 2 कर दिया था. Yeah, 10 comma 20 is on the left side. On the left side, you are saying that you are consuming a point like this. So you can only consume a point like this when your budget line looks like this. Okay, so this should be the shape of your budget line. Only in this situation you will consume a point on this curve. If the budget line is steeper than this, then this point is the best. If the budget line is flatter than this, then you will consume the x intercept. So if you are consuming a point on the left arm of the indifference curve, it automatically means that the budget line should coincide with the left arm of the indifference curve. Okay, so I know that on in this part the MRS is 2, which implies that the slope is equals to minus 2. So minus 2 must also be the slope of the budget line. So slope of the budget line is minus 2. So which of the following is true? So Px is 1. So you get Px upon Py should be equals to minus Px upon Py should be equals to minus 2, and Px is 1, which implies that Py should be equals to half. Okay, Py half, Px 1, and the consumption bundle is 10 comma 20. So 10 comma 20, Px is 1, Py is half, which means that the expenditure will be equal to 10 times 1 plus 20 times half, which should be equal to 20. So the total income is going to be equal to 20.